Hey guys, today I have a special unboxing. It's the new limited edition Gans and Rubik Speed Cube Partnership Cube. Comes with this pouch, has this a card, something like that. So, there's a plastic tensioning tool. It has the GES system and this Gans thing. Let's open this up. Okay, it's packaged pretty nicely. We're gonna need scissors or something. Don't really have scissors. This is awkward. Oh. That's it. Whoa. This is amazing. It actually has tiles, so it's just like the normal one. And the logo, since it's just like the 356 Air, but a bit different appearance-wise and physical-wise. It feels a bit different just because of the tiles. It has a little different edges. And let's talk about the shades. So the white is like a creamy-ish white, but this yellow is a little dull, but I guess it matches the other color scheme. Let's do a quick checkerboard. So yeah, so shades contrast pretty nicely. And the cube itself, it's very quick, kind of quiet and corner cutting. Oh, that's why. And it is pretty loose.